Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the Facebook shortcut not showing problem. For that, you just need to go to the Play Store on your phone, and on the top you will see the search bar. Tap on it and search on Facebook over here. Then see whether you have any update of the Facebook app. If you see the update option, just tap on the update and update the Facebook app. Once your Facebook has been updated, just go to the settings of your phone and scroll down, and here you will see the apps option. Just tap on it and then go to the app management option. Wait until it is loaded, and from the top you will see the search bar. Just tap on it and search in the Facebook over here, and this page will be open where you will see the storage usage option. Tap on it and you will see the clear cache. Just tap on clear cache option and the cache will be cleared. Go back again and you will see the force stop option on the top. Just tap on it and tap on force stop option. After that, go back to the Facebook app. Then once you open the Facebook, on the top right corner you can see the three-line icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see setting and privacy option on the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and select the settings. Once you are into this page, you will see the navigation bar option. Just tap into it and then tap into customize the bar option. After that, here you will see the available shortcuts. These all are in the auto option. If you want to pin any one of those, then just you need to tap into any one of these and tap into pin. Then the friend request option will be pinned. Likewise, if you want to pin the groups, marketplace, profile, video, gaming, feeds option pin, then you can do as similar like the friend request. Just tap into it and tap into pin option, then it will be get pinned. Just go back, and so your shortcuts not showing problem will be solved through the simple and easy steps. So this was it, guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more tutorial videos.